Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing in and creating a precise company profile so reports map to real filings. Enter fiscal year and base currency immediately. Once done, connect your primary bank and enable automated statement imports. This reduces manual entries by 70% over time. Make sure to set a few bank rules for common transactions. Finally, invite your core team with role-based permissions and approval flows, so data entry and approvals happen in parallel, without exposing sensitive modules. You now configure tax rates and create item and service templates to speed invoicing. Templates ensure consistent descriptions and pricing. Create sales invoices, and where possible, set recurring invoices for retainer clients so they bill automatically. When bank feeds arrive, reconcile by matching imported transactions to invoices or expenses. Use split transactions for partial matches. If mismatches occur, adjust receipts or apply customer credits. Make reconciliation rules for repeating patterns. To complete, generate profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow reports for the period and review variances. Change date ranges to isolate anomalies. Apply any necessary closing adjustments, and then lock the accounting period to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, use the audit trail to find who changed a transaction, reverse the incorrect entry, and repost corrections. Also restore from the latest backup if multiple errors compound. This keeps your books accurate and audit-ready.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.